Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show how can we will solve a programming problem where a program print 1 to 10 and reversely 9 to 1 using single loop only. This is the output sample where 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and reversely print 9 to 1 using single loop only. And in this program where program take an input from user. Now let's go. Open code blocks, open a new file, new empty file. For save it, YouTube problem 2 hash include .h zoom it for int main declare integer variable I and number taken from input, number taken by user. Scanf %d comma and num. Now create a for loop for I equal 1, I less than num I plus plus, not I less than equal num. Declare another variable int loop loop count equal num into 2 into 2. If I less than equal num, printf %d commas I slash n, else printf %d commas loop count minus I. Now run it. Enter your input like 10 here. This is our required output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and reversely print 10 to 1. You can check another input for 20. This is the same output 1 to 10 to 20 where 20 contain one time and reversely print 20 to 1. This is a simple problem. If this video helpful for you, please give like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.